If you're anything like me, then you love a little bit of heat in your food. So I'm going to show you how to make a Guyanese style pepper sauce. It's not only spicy, it's flavorful and it has the right amount of heat, and it's a lot easier to make than you think. And my mom is the one that's making the pepper sauce, and she makes some of the best pepper sauce. And the ingredients are very simple. You're going to need about a head of garlic, diced onions. We are using habanero pepper, but you can use Wiri pepper or Scotch bonnet. Be sure to remove the stems from the peppers before adding it to the blender. And since we're using the blender, there's no need to chop the peppers. The blender is going to do all of the work for us. And here's the fun fact. My mom always walks with pepper sauce whenever she travels, and this time she didn't. And I happened to be out of pepper sauce, which is extremely rare. So we decided to whip up a batch. Now, once you've added the peppers, you're going to also add the garlic. We're going to add those diced onions. You're also going to add white distilled vinegar. Now, you don't want to add too much because we don't want the pepper sauce to be too runny. To that, we're going to add salt. And here is where the blender is just pretty much going to do all of the work. You can pulse it or place it on the chop setting, and this takes literally just a few seconds. And there's also one other key ingredient that we have to add to the pepper sauce, and that is mustard. Mustard enhances the flavor of the pepper sauce. Now we're adding just a tablespoon, and you can add as much or as little as you like. If you prefer more of a mustard flavor, then you're going to have to add a little bit more. And pepper sauce is customizable. You can add other things such as mangoes or cucumber. I have a mango pepper sauce recipe that's on my blog, and I will link that below, as well as this one. And that's it. It's done. It's just that easy. And as you can see, it has a nice consistency. It's not too liquid. I'm going to place this into a mason jar, cover it tightly, and just store it in the fridge. And this will last for months, and you can enjoy it in any of your favorite meals. I particularly love pepper sauce on the side of a good cook-up rice. And let me know in the comment section what's your favorite dish to eat with pepper sauce. Thank you guys for joining me. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, and I'll see you in the next one.